In this video, we will learn to use Nano Editor on Ubuntu Linux. Nano is a simple editor and very easy to use. For example, if you want to edit a file or create a new file, we can use Nano or file.txt, and we are inside that editor. You can see at the bottom we have these commands. This caret signs means control. For example, if you want to exit, we can do control X. Let me type something, hello world, and then I'm going to use control X, and it is asking, do you want to save? I will go for yes or Y, and the file name, yes. And now I will open again file.txt, and we have that file written, or the line written to the file. And now I will write another file, other line. Okay, hello there. And to save this file, we can also use over here. You can see write out, Control O. So I'm going to press Control O. It will save for us. And if you want to exit now, then Control X. Now I'm going to open it again. File.txt. Now we have two lines there. If you want to get help on it, to get help, we can enter Control G. So I'm going to enter Control G. This is the help command. You can read over here different commands for Nano. To exit again, I will press Control X. And from file, Control X again. We can also use Nano to display the content of files. We can use cat file that display content of a file. For example, cat, and then file name cat, and our file.txt. It shows the content of our file. If we just want to output the ending portion of the file, then we can use tail. We can use more command to browse through a text file, then less command. It is same like more, but with more features. And to output the beginning or the top portion of file, we can use head command. Let's see example. First we did the cat thing, and now I'm going to do head. Need some large file which has more text. Let me see the content of directory if I have any. Test 2 already did. Okay, let me open. I will grab some content from the net and save it in our file so we have more lines and test our commands. I grabbed some text from Wikipedia. I'm just gonna paste it in our file. So it's gonna be Nano. Just gonna be cool. Nano file.txt. Just need to right click and paste. And I will try to break these lines so we will have more lines in our file. I just break up those lines to test our commands with Nano. So I'm just gonna exit and save. Say yes to save it. And now if I want to see top 10 lines of the file, I can use head command. So we're gonna do head file.txt. It will print the top 10 lines for us from the file. If you want to see only top 3 lines, we can use head with the option and -3, then our file name file.txt. It's showing up only the top 3 lines. To see last 10 lines, we can use tail and then file.txt. These are the last 10 lines. If you want to see the last line, tail -1 and file.txt. We need to remove this empty line. So we go here and save it again. Control X. Yes. And now repeat the tail on. Now it printed our last line from the file. We can also use more against our file. So I'm going to do more file.txt. You can see the content of file. If the file is big, then you can move page by page by just pressing the space bar to move to next page. If you want to go line by line, then you can just hit enter key and type Q to quit. The less command is also same, less file.txt. For example, over here, if you want to move to another page or the next page, just hit space bar, and then to quit, control or just enter Q. To view files in real time, which changes a lot, such as log files, you can use tail, then -f in file name. And our file name is not been changed a lot, our file.txt, but this command will work better if there is something getting written to that file, such as server log files and stuff. So this way you can use Nano Editor on your Linux. It is very easy to use editor. And in this video you learn to use cat, more, less, head and tail commands, and also how to edit or create new file in Nano Editor. To keep on learning, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can learn more skills. Thanks for supporting us and thank you for watching.